how to add your personal meeting room on Zoom PC to Google Calendar. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do to add your personal meeting room to your Google Calendar easily and fast is by going to the top corner right here and click on my account. Now it will take you to this page. Go right here and click on the meetings option. Click on meetings, and here again on this page click on personal room, and as you can see right here you will find your room informations. Click on Google Calendar right here and connect it easily and fast. Very easy as I said. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.